Okay, so I turn on the machine. Comes up with the logo screen, and then it's asking me for homing. Then the automatic homing process starts, and requires about maybe 10-20 seconds to finish, and the carriage is rehoming automatically to the last test position, which is the water flow test. I already set up closing force, opening force, and water flow tests, so by pressing the next and previous records you can go to test number 1 for closing force. Press the more button to home the carriage for the closing force test. Remove the previous change parts, put the new change part in, secure it, and this will be the closing force test. So I'm supplying a cap, an open cap, clamp it, and press the start button. And this determines the peak force. It will read out on the top of the screen that local peak, but it also goes up, and just to double check that was a peak and to display it on the display, it also goes up to a predetermined or pre-programmed set point, which is 15 pound force. So that's about the closing force. Opening force was applying a closed cap, place it in the container, remove the tooling that we previously used for the closing, hit the next record when it says opening force on the top of the screen, and do the homing, and then you can start the test. Displays the result on the screen, peak force, everything. Go back. I'm gonna remove this tool now to demonstrate the water flow test. So for water flow test, we use this tool again. Just slide it on, go to water leak test, home it, and then start the test. We'll come down and it will start applying that 8 inch-pounds that's required for this test, and maintain it in the 30 seconds cycle time. And all of these variables, of course, are programmable, so if you want to change it to 50 seconds or 10 seconds, that is all possible. When the test is done, you can press the back key, and every time you press the back key it will automatically go back to the current test home position.